Alright guys, today we'll be playing the Solo Victory Cup. 30 minutes, well, an hour and 30 minutes late. We have 27 minutes. Probably going to play one game. Maybe multiple, who knows. Honestly, this game I might just key this entire game. I could. Let's go. Let's get it. Dang, I'm so bad. I just got on. Oh my. I just got on. And I guess we're playing the cash cup. $140? Okay, so pre-game it does damage, in-game it does nothing. We land in the drop spot. What's your guys' thoughts on the new update? Alright. Is there nobody landing? Oh, never mind. The whole lobby's landing raft. There's 81 kids, and I didn't even land. There's kids fighting at the drop. Oh, yes. I haven't worn this pickaxe in so long. Oh, mythic chest. Legendary pump. Okay, that's probably the worst thing I could have gotten. Actually, not the chainsaw, but like the Stark Industry weapon. I'll take it, but like let's go. Probably gonna look at those kids that were fighting after I hit these. Oh yeah, there was definitely a kid here. Oh yeah, he's right there. Oh yeah, he's up. Cone. Can't reset it. Dead. What did that kid think he was gonna do? Freeling. Wish I could have gotten the second one though. Ooh. There's. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can't. They should. I don't know. That'd be too broken if they added your gold into the game. I just need to look for like some slashes. Oh wow. Guess I didn't need gold. Come on. Ooh, I'm gonna carry meds. If I find more splashes, I'll carry splashes. Bigs? Nah. 6 minis. Yeah, I'm carrying meds. Ooh, gatekeeper. Okay. Oh, storm's coming. If you guys didn't know, if you drop this, get back up, it refills automatically. Gonna have to. Oh wait, isn't there that campfire? Yeah, there is. I don't think it's an. It could be in circle. Yeah, it is. Oh yes. This is so perfect. Yo. I can get forecast too. Honestly, if it's 3 bigs, I'm carrying it. How many bigs? 1? Oh. And I'm getting shot by my dad. Oh my. Reset Medal. Oh yeah, that's Medal. Yeah, you can have that bunker. I don't really need it. I have crazy loot. There's always kids that always came from there. Oh, kid. Oh shoot, what? Cracked? No way. Oh wow, that is crazy. Wow. Yeah, that was not a good push. should have won that too. Just third partied. That was not good. Who's in? Oh no. Oh. Alright. Alright. I could have played placement that game and got so many points, but who cares? This game has got to be big. This is so cringe. Alright, this game I'm actually going to play smart. I'm going to try getting a lot of... I'm going to get like 4 kills maybe. I'll try. I kind of want to play safe, but I kind of don't. Because there's literally no point. I played it so late. And I didn't have any warm-up. I just got on and just played it. I forgot about it. This works, I think. Get a little closer. Hey. I didn't even land and I got 2 points. Is the raft? The raft is oh no, there's hits. I should have landed raft. Oh, I'm so dumb. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot play with that, like, thermal scope. It's so bad. Oh, we're chilling. We're chilling. How I wish there was a kid here, like, near me. And this. Yeah, I'm chilling. I don't even know how to use this chainsaw in a fight. I only use it for movement. Because it's literally just one of the best movements. Oh, it's all the way on top. I know where it is. Only gives you 30 AR. Like, see, this scope is just terrible. I don't even know how kids be playing with it. Bro, I kind of want to fight a team. Did they get the medallion? I got griefed by that medal. Honestly, do I play endgame this game? Why not? Oh, it pulls. Wait, then I can just base up on this. I'm literally gonna grief every team. Oh my. This is so good. I'm just gonna pick this up and put it right here. Actually, about to grief every team. I can literally just chill here. If it's pulling here, I'm gonna pull it again probably. Who's playing it? Okay, this kid's playing it. What's the new one? Dang, I should have so much more points. Tournament's ending in 8 minutes. Yeah, I think I should just play this game. from playing it. What's this raft down? Right here? Or is that siphon down? Oh, this kid has two. And this, oh, this is probably raft. That's probably, he's carrying this and this. Oh, there's no way he's carrying the badminton. One of them is carrying a badminton. We're only on Storm 3. 15 kids. Okay. I should have done way better in that first game. I sold. Well, how did I not kill that kid? Kid just hit me so hard. Disoriented. TTV. Don't you guys hate how like you can't see it like right up, right here, like you can't see the attachments, but like you'd have to like click this in order to see it. Oh, it has speed mag. Okay, we're chill. This is just one. Like if there's just a kid like right here in the open, I can just shred him with this monarch. This kid has all three? Am I bugging? I'm not. This kid has all three. He's a GOAT. This kid's actually the best. Oh, I'm cooked. Kid's probably a cheater. I'm just gonna hard grief the teams. There's a kid on that train, that'd be sad. Actually, kid's the most stacked kid in the game. She's got the mythic sovereign, the mythic pistol monarch, and then he has a mythic raft. And it's TTV disoriented. Okay. So we got the Twitch streamer, that's crazy. I'm gonna check him after this game. Pulled circle. Oh yeah, the tournament's ending in 4 minutes. I should just be chilling, because I pulled 40. This is not ideal. How much is a win? It's like 10 plus, right? That kid better not push me. If he pushes me, oh, I might be cooked. I mean, he's across the whole. I thought I was gonna go for beams on these kids. This TTV kid's just killing the whole lobby. What circle is it? 4th? It's 4th circle with 8 kids. This kid's the GOAT. This kid is Booga. He's literally like Peter, but he's eating. And New Master just got another kill. So we got 2 good people. Got 2 good people. It's crazy. just wait, yo, is this a cod angle? Can we just see? It's literally just the same. I mean, I put what I. You guys see, like, the new season might be chapter 3 or 2. Why is it flashing red? Is that me or is it? I think it's just this rebuilding. Or it's just me. Alright, finish mode. Oh yeah, that's literally just the game. Now it's just red. What is bugged? Oh, it pulled the raft? Oh, he's probably fighting a kid. Oh, he dropped the bad medal. Oh, I can rotate on this mountain. That's actually crazy. Yo, I'm actually... Wait, is this in circle? It's edge. I'm landing like right here. There's a launch pad right there too. Yeah, literally right here. Is this in circle? Yeah, I'm gonna land on this. Watch there be like a kid lurking behind. And it pulled far. Okay. There's nobody alive, basically. Where are these kids? Honestly, I'm gonna rotate late. I got a launch pad right here. Just gonna remember that. Oh my god! Dead. Oh my god, I killed him! I killed the best player in the game! Oh my god! New Master. Wait, what? New Master was the kid with... Oh my god. I win. No way. I just headshot dinked him and then... Oh my god. Oh my god. I told you this is why I carried more. I actually just... Oh my god. Let's go. I don't think I'm qualling though. In this one game. Yeah, the tournament's over. It's my last game. I don't know how many points you get if you win. Oh yeah, I have scanning medallions. Wait. Oh my god, double siphon and then Emma Frog? Okay. This is godly. Is there a kid up here? Could be a kid there. Wait, is that in circle? Oh, they're fighting. I'm actually gonna go around. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, I marked him. This kid right here. Oh, is there a kid right here? Oh. So I can just box up like right here, and I'll mark all of them. How much longer do I have? Yeah. Where's the other kid then? For marked 1. Oh, it pulls down there. What tick is it? 8 tick? Where'd that kid rotate? I don't... Oh, he's right there. I do not think you want to peek me. Oh, there's a kid right here. Oh, I marked. Oh my god, 140? Dad, 200. I'm him. Loser. Refresh of a freaking lifetime. Is the last kid right there? I'm medallion to mark. Do I play heal off? Where is he? I don't know where I marked him. What? It's auto shooting. Where did I mark him? I'm bugging. Oh, he's right here. Just gonna pull over here. He's gonna get stuck in storm. Oh, he's... How did I not see him? Dad, 200. Let's go. Do I qual in 1 game? Or 2 games? Oh, 81. I don't know if that's qual. Let's see. Leaderboard. No. Dang, it was just 100 points. If my first game I did good. Alright guys, well I think that's going to be the end of today's video. Playing 27 minutes of the Cash Cup, Solo Cash Cup. Almost qualified. First game, if I did better, would have qualified, but it's okay. Alright, bye guys.